When Fractal released the Torrent Airflow case, it quickly rose to the top of the charts as one of the best, if not the best airflow case in its class. Well, Fractal wanted to capitalize on that success and make cases for builds from ATX all the way down to mini ITX. Now see what we're all talking about when we jump on the hype train. All aboard! Ah, the mini ITX motherboard. So cute, so small, so powerful. Okay, you have this idea. You want desk space. And you also want to play games at a respectable frame rate, but you need it to look awesome. Well, Fractal has created a case specifically for this reason. I'm talking about the Fractal Torrent Nano. Yes, that's right, I said nano. It sits at 417 millimeters by 222 millimeters by 374 millimeters, which is 16 inches long by 9 inches wide by 15 inches tall by those of us who are over here in the United States. Now, the Nano is made from your typical steel tempered glass. You can get either clear or dark, and ABS plastic. But it does come in a few variations. You can get the Nano with the left side panel steel or tempered glass with the RGB version. It's nice to have options, I always say. Now, if you choose the non-RGB case, you get the Dynamic X2 GP-18 180mm PWN moon size fan, which is also available separately. If you opt for more FPS along with the RGB case, as we all know RGB always gives more frames per second, then you will receive the Fractal Prisma AL-18 180mm PWM ARGB moon size lit fan in the front. Let's go take a look at a build and let's see how this whole thing performs. Okay, so what we're gonna put in this is a Ryzen 9 5900X. This is a Ryzen 9 5900X. Ignore what the box says. Okay, we're gonna be putting this inside of the Phantom Gaming ITX B550. There is a chance we may need to switch RAM on this. Right now we've got the Vengeance Pro SL. For our storage, we're gonna be using the Viper VP4300 PCI. I've heard very good things about this. This is the Frost Commander 140 White. For power, we're gonna be using the Asus ROG Strix 850 watt PSU. We're using the Asus ROG Strix 3080 White. So like I said, a true unicorn. So that is everything going in there. Let's check out this cooler, guys. Okay, so it does clear the RAM. Okay, so now it's time to start taking this bad boy apart. There's our extras. Just pops off just like that. So there's your back. Just pops right off. There we go. Front pops off very nicely. That's actually really easy. Let's go ahead and start getting our build inside of it. Look at that. There we go. There it goes. It is on. I really do love the Fractal line of cases, and if you build as they are intended, aka air-cooled, then this case minus the top-mounted PSU blocking issues, which I'll talk a little bit about here in a minute, are pretty dang good. It has all the room for big air coolers, and frankly, that massive fan in the front does a simply magnificent job of getting air to the air cooler in the case. However, it's when you start this AIO thing that things can get a little bit wonky. I mean, I applaud Fractal for the support, and you always want to have more options. But it's kind of like going on a cross-country road trip in a smart car. I mean, sure, you can do it, but it's not like, trying to weave through traffic and park on that super crowded street, which is really what this thing is meant to do, and to easily be killed in, because those things have no room. The Fractal Torrent Nano is a great option for an on the larger side but still small SFF airflow focused build with a lot of options and great performance on the thermal side. It has the option of doing more than just air cooling, but it comes at the cost of using some of the best aspects of the case, which seem to be heavily focused around air-cooled builds. All in all, I really love this case, and it's such a solid option. I think Fractal giving us options like this within its family of Torrent cases is great, and I definitely love how this build both looked and performed when it was done. But what do you think about the case after this video? Would love to know all of that down in the comments below. Now, while you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video right here on Robeytech. Do you know that we have a live stream channel for special builds and events? Check out Robeytech Live down in the description below so you can like and subscribe so you know when we go live on that channel as well. Do you have questions about this case or any other tech-related questions? Then check out our amazing Discord server filled with other tech and PC enthusiasts who would love to share their thoughts and ideas on these very subjects. Looking for cheap tech? Then check out @RobeyTechDeals or @RobeyTechDeals on Twitter, where we have our guy Tom scouring the internet for the best deals on all things tech and PC components for gaming and TV, etc. Finally, you can follow me and all of my team on all the socials @Robeytech everywhere. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.